he has left. Had some time to self-reflect, so now I'm writing this to you. I'm really sorry in advance for every time I have to ask you if you might have changed your mind. And baby, does it make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it, 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's to someday. I'm kinda over all the talk. Miss Independent never worked for me. No, I don't really mind. There's nothing wrong with needing you. Anyone who wants to criticize isn't worth the time. But baby, it doesn't make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it, 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's your someday. I know I got a lot of stuff, and honestly it makes me terrified of showing it to you. But my best friend always says that if you're right for me, you'll never leave, and I'm hoping that it's true. So baby, it doesn't make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it, 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's to someday. the start, now you tear me apart. I gave you my trust, but you treated me like I couldn't see. I thought you were the one, but I know that I'll never be the girl that you need. You need. You would feel the same if you were at the back of her mind. Suddenly the rain has wiped away the dust from my eyes. Trust, but you treated me like I couldn't see. I thought you were the one, but I know that I'll never be the girl that you need. You need. You would feel the same if you were at the back of her mind. Suddenly the rain has wiped away the dust from my eyes.
Sabe?